Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have the Papal, Death in Reverse, and Hermit. So, in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are having a lot of dreams and goals in your situation, guys, and certain dreams are unfolding, and you are feeling really guided. You have your intuition helping you, guiding you, and influencing your way of thinking or deciding. So, subconsciously, you are being guided. You feel a lot clear and you have that clarity of thought and a better understanding. And maybe for some of you, there are people coming to you for guidance and support. Maybe they want your suggestions on certain things, and you have your intuition helping you and guiding you. And for some of you, I also see there is a woman who's really close to you. It may be this person you love. Maybe they are giving you valuable suggestion what needs to be done, and they love you and they are telling the truth because they have your welfare in their heart, guys, and they are doing things or suggesting things for your own good. So some kind of positive suggestions or counsel is what I see in your situation. And you are asking this person what needs to be done because you are in a in some kind of a situation, feeling stuck, unable to decide for yourself, and however hard you are trying, you are not seeing a change or a result, a positive outcome. So something is holding you back. So that is the reason you are asking this person for suggestions or ideas how what needs to be done. And maybe this person will show you the clarity, guys. If you listen to them, you are going to see things more clearly, and you want to make the right choices in your work or in your relationship. So that is the reason you are asking someone their ideas or suggestions. And I also see that there is a person really close to you, so they are giving you the guidance you need today, guys, and you need to make plans or take actions based on this person's ideas or whatever they are telling you. And you need to go for that clarity in your situation, guys. Maybe if you want to speak to this person, maybe if it is a circumstance in your relationship, if you want to know the truth and you are waiting for the truth to unfold, you need to speak openly to this person, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Thank you, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single-mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of uh, their skills and talents and their one single minded passion. So, you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.